Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Trust Wallet. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Bitget web application, which of course I have done right here. Now, how do you create an account on Bitget? It's simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type bitget.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Bitget. Then once again, to the website, follow through with the on-screen prompt to sign up to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Bitget. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Trust Wallet. Now from this homepage, quickly head over to the homepage. Just realizing that's not the homepage. All right, so just the homepage. All right. So from this homepage, head over to the top right corner of the screen where you're going to find this icons here representing the app's features. All right, and one of them you're going to find is this. Just move your cursor there. You're going to find this. We have this total asset value. You have deposit, withdraw, and you have transfer. So go ahead and click on withdraw. It's going to open you up to the withdraw window. We're going to see how we will be able to transfer USDT from Bitget to Trust Wallet. So the first thing that you need to do is to head over to your Trust Wallet application. Now, once you get to your Trust Wallet application, head over to once you get to Trust Wallet, in your home page, you're going to find two tabs. Crypto, you're going to find NFTs. So head over to the crypto tab. And once you click on the crypto tab, select the coin that you want to make the transaction on in your Trust Wallet app. So once you select the coin, if you don't get the coin right there in your homepage, you can scroll the way down and find Manage Crypto. Click on Manage Crypto. And then at the top right corner, you're going to find the plus icon. Click on the plus icon to add a custom token. But then if it's there, if you have your token already enabled, just go ahead and search for the token in the crypto tab. And once you click on the token, it's going to take you to a window specifically designed for that token. You're going to find a couple icons, one of which is receive. So click on the receive icon and it's going to take you to a window where you're going to have your QR code and your wallet address. Copy that wallet address in your Trust Wallet for that token. Let's say, for example, our token is USDT. So copy the wallet address from your Trust Wallet app. And once you copy that, you will now head over to this tab here where you have crypto. Now select the coin that you want to transfer. So USDT in this case. Now withdraw to, you have this on-chain, select network. So you're going to have to select the network. If it's USDT TRX or ETH or BSC or HC, go ahead and select the network. All right. So ensure that you have confirmed the network in your Trust Wallet. So ensure that you're using the right thing. So after doing that, so head over here to where you have withdrawal address. Now paste the address. Paste the wallet address that you copied from Trust Wallet for USDT in your Trust Wallet. Paste that address in this communications tab. We have withdrawal address. So after pasting the address, go ahead and click next. Now click next to initiate your transaction or to initiate your withdrawal. Now once you verify the withdrawal details, proceed to confirm and initiate the USDT withdrawal from Bitget to Trust Wallet. Now follow any additional security steps or verification processes required by Bitget to complete the withdrawals. So that's pretty much all you need to transfer USDT from Bitget to Trust Wallet. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.